Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Iron Out Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This Iron Out Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner comes with more than 6 tablets in each pack. It's great for rust, mold, and hard water stains. Though this automatic toilet bowl cleaner is powerful, it protects the inside of toilets and septic systems from getting dirty. Drop a capsule into your toilet every 45 days and let it do all of the work for you. There are no smells or perfumed smells when this method is used. Depending on what you need, you can get this pack in a 2-pack or a 24-pack too. Because this cleaner can't be used with bleach to make it even more powerful, that's the only thing that's not good about it. Iron Out powder or liquid spray may be used first to clean the toilet bowl before inserting a tablet. Simply drop in a tablet and let Iron Out Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner do the work for you. Number 2 in this best toilet bowl cleaner list is Clorox Disposable Toilet Cleaning System. It's good if you don't like the idea of having a used toilet bowl brush around. This Clorox toilet wand system is for you. It's an all-in-one toilet brush that comes with cleaner already in it, so there's no need for extra cleaner. When we did our tests, it was easy to put the scrub pad in the toilet water to make the cleaner work. Then, we could start to clean. To get rid of the scrub pad after you cleaned, all you had to do was push a button on the handle and throw it away. Sometimes, when we pushed the button, the cleaning pad would get stuck to the handle and we had to work a little harder to get it off. We really like that it's a hands-free disposal. These toilet scrub pad refill heads click onto the toilet wand to swish, scrub and clean the toilet bowl and conveniently pop off to throw in the trash. The Clorox toilet wand system is designed for use in any toilet type, including low-flow models. Preloaded with Clorox cleaner, these disposable scrubbing pads are deep clean and remove stains while eliminating germs to make your toilet bowl feel like new. Eliminate the need to store a dirty, germ-ridden toilet brush with a convenient caddy that stores your toilet wand and refill heads for an all-in-one bathroom household cleaner. Our third pick is Lysol Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. The Lysol Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner is easy to use. All you have to do is put the applicator in the bowl, and it will keep working for up to a month. Lysol says this bleach-free cleaner kills 99.9% of germs and viruses. For health and the environment, EWG gives it a B grade. They say things like artificial fragrance and the presence of sodium lauryl sulfate, which can be dangerous if used too much. The results, on the other hand, say it all. This toilet bowl cleaner is very easy to use, and it does a good job. Lysol Click Gel Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner keeps toilets clean and fresh with just one click and after every flush. This bleach-free toilet bowl cleaner is applied through a hygienic touch-free application with a single-use applicator. This thick formula cleaner removes tough toilet bowl stains and toilet bowl rings. This bathroom cleaner neutralizes odor and provides a long-lasting fragrance. Fourth pick in our best toilet bowl cleaner list is Clorox Automatic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Clorox is almost always associated with bleach, so it's not surprising that the company's cheap toilet tablets use bleach to clean and whiten. The automatic action tablets are put in the toilet's tank, and each time you flush, they slowly release a small amount of the product that cleans, removes stubborn stains, and smells better. In a 6-pack, each Clorox toilet tablet lasts 3 months. Some people may find the scent of bleach too strong. The product claims to smell fresh. Each tablet sanitizes the toilet bowl water in 5 minutes, cleans for up to 3 months and helps prevent tough hard water, mineral and lime scale stains. These easy-to-use toilet tablets keep your toilet smelling fresh and sparkling clean with every flush, leaving bowl water crystal clear. To sanitize, clean and deodorize, simply drop a tablet in the toilet tank and let it do its work. The tablet does not harm the septic tank. With Clorox, you know your toilet bowl is clean and disinfected. Last in this list is Simple Human Toilet Brush with Caddy. The Simple Human has a slim profile that is open at the back for good air circulation. The design also allows you to change the brush head when necessary, which is a good thing. Brushes don't need chemicals to keep your toilet clean, which is good for septic systems and toilets because they don't need chemicals to keep them clean, too. You can use this toilet brush even if you don't have a lot of space in your bathroom. It has stiff bristles that can remove stubborn stains from the entire bowl and a magnetic strip around the caddy's collar to keep the toilet brush in place when you're carrying it. Because of this, the brush might not be able to reach the main drain hole in the bowl. The slim, dome-shaped cover conveniently stores the toilet brush, keeping it hygienic and discreetly hidden when not in use. A unique magnetic collar secures the cover to the stainless steel rod so you can carry them together without drips. The brush head screws off and on for easy replacement.
This is our toilet brush. It's slim for easy placement next to the toilet and very accessible for quick use. This special magnetic collar on the housing allows you to pick up the brush and housing together with just one hand, so there are no messy drips. The stainless steel rod is very strong and durable, and the brush has a specially designed crescent shape to reach hard-to-clean areas around the rim. It detaches easily when it's time for a replacement. The toilet brush comes in black and white. Very efficient.